Hi, and welcome back to Nkumbu's Diary. If this is your first time, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if my videos resonate with you, don't forget to subscribe to my page. Today, I wanted to get a little bit into day trading. I did mention it in my previous video that I was going to explain what day trading is. And then for the reason why I wanted to do this was because I've been scrolling on social media and people don't know like the basics of like where to start, what to do, what do they trade, but they've been hearing about it. You've been seeing it on your social media. It's everywhere, on Threads, on TikTok, on YouTube, everywhere, but people don't know where to start. And so I just wanted to give like a basic of where to start, where to go, and what to do. So what is day trading? This is when we trade on a daily basis instead of like, because investing is when you buy a stock and you just hold it for months. But day trading is where, you buy something and you sell it within, hours, minutes for the day. You could just hold it from morning, until, when the market closes. And so with day trading, it depends with what market you are trading. So you can trade Forex, and within Forex, you can trade currencies, indices, metals, or crypto within the foreign exchange market. So for currencies, you could do like Euro USD, which is the euros versus the US dollar, or USD JPY, which is the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. You can also trade futures, which is basically like trading like contracts for like indices. So like you hear like NQ, you hear like silver or gold, you can trade them and it moves a little bit faster than currencies. And then you can trade stocks, and then you can also trade stock options, and then you can also do cryptocurrencies. You can buy and sell cryptocurrencies every single day. And so what are stocks? Okay, so if you're going to be day trading stocks every single day, think of like Apple, Google, Tesla, Amazon. You can buy and sell them every day. So you can long or short. Those are the terms that they use every single day. You get in the market, I want to risk $10,000 to make this amount. And so you can trade those and their platform. And I'm going to break down maybe in another video, like what platforms you could use and where, like ways that you can start. And then with Forex, which is basically what I do, is one of them. I do Forex and futures. So with Forex, you can trade currencies. So like I said, Euro USD, USD JPY, or you could do metals, gold or silver. You could do commodities, which is like oil. You could trade US oil when it's going up and down. You can trade it. You can do cryptocurrency. You can trade Bitcoin on the foreign exchange market. Like whatever broker you have, you can buy and sell Bitcoin every single day, and you can make money every single day. And with Bitcoin, with cryptocurrency, is open 24 hours, 24/7. There is no closing. Whereas like these other markets, they close like Friday, around like 5 p.m. New York time, or every single day they close for an hour. So like by like most of the time like 2 p.m. my time, which is like 5 p.m. they close, and they open again around 6 p.m. New York time, and around 3 p.m. PST, because I'm on Pacific time. And then with futures, you are buying contracts. So you have gold, you have the NASDAQ, which is NQ, you have the Dow Jones, which is US 30, and you can buy and sell those contracts. I'm using the word buy and sell, but for other markets, some people call it putting and shorting, or long and shorting. So they have like different terms, but the more you get familiar with it, the more you can do it. The beauty of trading, which a lot of people don't talk about, is if you learn how to do technical analysis, you can trade any market. There's people that do stock options, but they trade futures. There's people that do Forex, but they can do stock options because they know how to chart. What is charting and what is technical analysis? This is where you can get a chart like this. I'm going to show you guys real quick. You can get a chart I'm just trying to pull up my chart. Um, let's get NAS 100. You can get a chart like this. This is what it's just going to look like. This is just my iPad. And you get a chart like this, and you can read, you can read what is this. Trading is like a second language. So you're going to learn new terms and new things to do. So you read a chart like this, and you're able to determine, okay, are we buying? Are we selling? Like, what are we doing? And you would just learn to know, like, okay, I'm buying, I'm selling, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. And yeah, and that's what you do. You look at this and you're like, okay, I want to buy, I want to sell, I want to do this, I want to do that with this. Yeah, so you look at this. So when you're able to read this, you can pull up like anything on your watch list. I could go and pull up Apple. And I will go up, look at the Apple stock. And right now, just from looking at it, because I know technical analysis, it is selling, because I know all of this stuff. So I can just tell you that it has been selling since December 2nd. Just looking at market structure, I can tell you that the Apple stock has been selling. So people that are trading this every day, they're looking for shorts or sales, or shorts. I would just say shorts or sales. And so that's the way that technical analysis works. You are able to read the charts. You're able to understand. So the goal is to learn how to chart and read the charts, because sometimes people get bored with one market and they can go somewhere else. So that's what you need to learn. A question I would ask you is, do you want this? Because if you want this, there's people that are on my TikTok that picked up this skill 3 months ago, and they've quit their job and they work from home. Do you want this? And because what you have to do, this is my advice that I would give anyone: give yourself a timeline. Because you know what because some traders would tell you, I've been trading for 5, 6, 7 years and I didn't get profitable in the 7th year. Okay, but I have seen people put in the time. They're not sleeping, they don't go out for 3 months, 6 months, 7 months. They've locked in and they are very, 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 very successful at this thing. So I believe that we can all do this thing if we are successful. Do you get what I'm saying? And so if you decide to lock in on this thing, you can be successful. So in this video, I just wanted to introduce what's trading is, like, just to explain the basics. My goal is not to sell a course. My goal is not to do anything. I just want to give information because I feel like a lot of people don't know where to start from. And I'm going to also share like free YouTube platforms that you can go and learn these things from. If you want to learn how to trade stocks, I will find, because I don't trade stocks, but I'm going to find good people that you can learn for free, because there's free information out there. There's free courses that people can take, and you can lock in for 3 months, but you need to be willing to do the work. Because there's things that I believe personally that people do that I feel like holds people back from being successful, because there's no difference in the people that you're seeing online, especially if somebody looks like you. If they can do it, you can do it. It's just the work you're willing to put in. And this is also me talking to myself. This is my diary, so I'm talking to myself. I'm also like, okay, Nkumbu, you need to lock in, because this is a skill that can change your life, and you need to 100% lock in, because you can become the greatest at this thing, but you have to lock in. So if you really want this, the information is out there. You just need to be willing to put in the work. That's all I can tell you, because in 3 months you could be further ahead. And I'm going to break down like how you can do this like month by month, and I'll just put like, I'll put stuff together. I might even do like free ebooks that I may put together to just help people, like where to start, what to do, because I feel like everybody can be successful, and this is a skill you can do from home. Like if you work a 9 to 5, this is extra income that you can do. There's people that still work 9 to 5s and trade every single day, and so this is a skill that you can do, but you need to be willing to put in the work. That's all I can say. Get up every single day. My time is, the best time to trade is New York, and I am on Pacific time, so I wake up at 4 a.m. because the market opens at 5 and I get on the charts. So my thing is, you have to be willing to put in the work, because it is very possible. I'm gonna end the video here, but I'm gonna like try and make this a series where we just talk about trading and me giving you like free information so you can start, because the information is there and I just feel like people are confused. And then there's a lot of scammers, there's a lot of people that are taking advantage of people's hard-earned money, and you can do this thing for free. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.